Let's hear a happy, giggling puppet. Okay, let's hear an evil, laughing puppet.
Everyone's engaged in the conversation, even the ENL learners, like everyone is using the language expected of the task. Also, when I talked about healthy noise, it's about sometimes, people, administrators, or it could be anyone thinking like a quiet classroom is a classroom that learns, and I disagree with that. Just because there's noise coming from a classroom does not mean that they're fooling around or they're not on task. A classroom that's very quiet does not necessarily mean they're learning. They could just be sitting back and disengaged. But when you go around, you actually hear the discussions going on, and they're talking and they're on task. I think that's the benefits of having this healthy noise, and that's what we want. We want our students to speak more, and we have to allow them more opportunities to do so. It was just nice seeing the smiling faces, the laughing, the giggling, the noise. It was healthy noise, and you knew they were all engaged, all productive. Everyone was just supportive of each other, I would say.
That little windows. Guys, look. It says that will take you an hour. It took me 2 minutes. First, but I thought he was gonna be side effects. He breaks the door and then he goes in. Why he breaks the door? That's the door. Here's the control.
I just think it was very valuable to have students involved in this project, and I really think that they'll remember it for a very long time.